Hi, my name is Linda. I'm a student in CFANS studying environmental sciences, policy, and management. As a kid, I spent a lot of time outdoors. I was the kind of kid at the playground who was a lot more interested in digging holes than playing on the swing set. I noticed that the further I dug, the more different the soil composition and moisture would be. There would also be different colors, and I was just so interested in why the different levels had different soils. When I was 17, one of my first jobs was working as a junior camp counselor. At camp, we paddled down the rivers looking for trash. I was determined to catch as much trash as possible. I remember jumping in and out of the canoe, being really good at it, collecting anything from plastic bottles to cans and even a couch at one point, and just knowing that all of this extra clutter didn't belong in the environment. It started out as just a fun competition, but I was just so excited about it, I figured that it might be something bigger, something that I can make a career out of. That was the moment that I knew I wanted to do something with the environment. I wanted to make a difference, and a career in the environment made sense to me. Through CFANS, I was able to travel and study in both Ecuador and Norway. I studied in Hawaii and was able to complete my marine biology minor there. I got to meet so many different people from all over the country, all over the world. I've done 3 amazing internships, all focused on the environment. Those summer internships introduced me to electrofishing, fish sampling, and fish dissection. I had a summer of hard work, sampling, and experiencing field science. I was even able to return as a technician the following year and gain more experience. There isn't just one path for everyone, but we all care about safe food, clean water, and a healthy environment. At CFANS, I'm continuing my journey and making the world a better place. My name is Linda, and if our paths cross, make sure you say hi.